Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create stock item in automobile industry. For that, here I will show you some sample items. This is one of the item. This item name is BMW Series 12 brake part. This same item I have in different brand. That means same item with Motocraft. First one brand is Bosch. Second one is Motocraft. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to add this type of stock item in our tally. So here, this is the first item. Product name is BMW Series 12 brake part. Manufacturer is Bosch. Then this is the model number. This is the size, weight, position, warranty, then quantity, price. Okay, I will show you in tally. This is our tally. I already created that stock item. Just I will show you how it's work. Go to stock summary. Here, this is the brand name BMW. Then press enter. Then this is the two item Bosch and Motocraft. Then select the Bosch. This is your item brake part. Select the brake part Bosch. Then this is that item. In this way, you can create items in your tally. I will show you how to create this one. First of all, go to inventory info, stock item, alter. So here I am going to select BMW Bosch. Here, this is our Excel. This is item name BMW series brake part. So this name we want to print in our invoice. So which name you want to print in your invoice, that you can put in the description. But in the name field, you can select which criteria you want to search in your sales voucher, that you can put here. That means BMW S12 11 into 7 into 6 cm. That is the specification of that brake part. In this way, you can put your item name. Then here you can put the part number. Then this is the part number. This is the part number. Okay, this model number you can use in part number. Okay, after that, which name you want to print in your sales invoice, that you can mention here. Then the warranty remarks you can put here. Also there is a warranty field, you can remarks that also. Then next here you can group that one under which group. So this is the brake part. So here I am created one group brake part. Here I will show you the group name is the brake part Bosch. Then under is the Bosch. If alter this Bosch, we can see this is the Bosch under BMW. Here BMW, I just show you, control enter. This is primary. So if you create group like this, then the result will get like this. I will show you once again. Go to stock summary, BMW, Bosch. Then this is your brake part and this is your item. In the same way, you can create another item also. I will show you the another item, that is Motocraft. Here you can see this is a Motocraft brake part Motocraft. Then that is item. This is the same way I created. Go to inventory info, stock item, alter, Motocraft brake part. So select this one. This is the BMW S12 11.7 into 6 cm. That is the same item. Here I will show you the same next item specification. This is the item BMW series 12 brake part, same item, but the manufacturer is Motocraft. Before that item manufacturer is Bosch. Then this is your part number. This is the size, weight, position, R&D. Then rest will be same. Okay, the weight only different. Size is same. So you can create like this BMW S12 same size. After that, type Motocraft. Okay, before here we write Bosch. Then different part number. Then select here which name you want to appear in your sales invoice. Then warranty. Then group also you can like this brake part Motocraft. Here you can see this is the brake part Motocraft. After that, create Motocraft is the group. Then this group under BMW. Before there is a group Bosch. That Bosch under BMW. Okay. In this way, you can create the stock item in automobile industry. You will get the details. Here you can see one more thing is there. There is a category. I added this item in a brake part. So the same time I created another one also, belt. Here you can see this is the fan belt. category is in fan belt. The same way I can create the subgroup also, fan belt Bosch. Then here fan belt Bosch. Then group is Bosch. Okay, in this way you can create your subcategory also. Then I will show you what is the use of that category. Suppose you want to search that item in your stock query. Go to display, statements of inventory, stock query, select that item name here. Okay, then this is the item brake part Bosch. So the similar category item you will get like this. Here this is the BMW Bosch brake part. Here this is the BMW Motorcraft brake part. You click the Motorcraft, the details will come like this. You click the Bosch, the details will appear like this. In this way you can easily find out your item details. The same scenario is here also. The stock summary, go to stock summary, BMW Bosch brake part, then item name. Okay, then different location also. If you add this item quantity in different location, then you will get the location wise details also. Here Motorcraft, then different location is here. Okay, in this way you can create your stock item. Again I will show you how to make sales entry using this item. At the time of sales entry you want to make one changes, that I will show you. Go to accounting voucher, then sales, select the party name, sales. Here select your item BMW, this is my item. Then select here which location, select the location, quantity, then write again here what, then save. And at the time of printing there is an option. Go to configure, then again select the configure. Then here there is a one option, format to use for stock item. Here you want to select description only. Then only that item which description we already gave it, that stock item, that description will appear in your invoice. So here I will show you. Select the description only, then enter and save it. Here this is the preview. Here you can see BMW series tall brake pad rear 820 gram. But which item you are selected invoice? This is the item BMW S tall 11.7 into 6 cm Bosch. Same item but the description is different, so that description will appear in the invoice. In this way you can use same description in different item. Okay, thanks for watching my YouTube channel.